So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your cryptocurrency account. Once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Then once you're on the crypto tab, simply just scroll down all the way until you see ticker symbol Chainlink right here, LINK. Press on Chainlink right there. Then once you're on this screen, simply go to the bottom left and press buy. Now to place a limit buy or a limit order here on Chainlink, simply go to the top to where it says market buy, press on this option and change it to where it says limit buy. So when it says limit buy, choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. I will just go ahead and press on limit buy right here. Then once you're on this screen, simply just type in the maximum price you're willing to pay for Chainlink coin. So the link price right now is $8.52. If I wanted to make it $8.50, I'll just simply press $8.50, press on continue. Then once you're on this screen, type in the amount of money that you wish to invest into Chainlink coin. So I'll just press on $1 for this example. I'll press continue, and there you go. If you were to go ahead and press confirm order, that'll then confirm your purchase for a limit order of Chainlink coin, ticker symbol LINK. If the order is not fulfilled by the end of the day, the money will be refunded back into your account. So that is how you guys can limit buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.